How to save any picture from Google Photos to your gallery. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily save any picture from your Google Photos to your phone's gallery. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. On that note, let's begin. So the very first thing that you need to do is open up your Google Photos and make sure to log into your account. So once you are logged in, what you need to do is go ahead and tap on the picture that you want to download to your phone. And once you open up the picture, you just have to swipe up on your screen. So if it is already on your device, you will see this option that says delete from device, which I'm going to do right now. And once the photo has been deleted from your device, or if it's not on your device, then you will see this download button right here. So all you need to do is go ahead and select the picture, swipe up, and then you will see this download button. Go ahead and just tap on it. And as you can see, it's downloading. And once the download is complete, you can find it on your phone's gallery. So here is my phone's gallery, and here is the picture that I have just downloaded. So that is pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.